Fluidra, and today I'm going to take you through the T3 Zodiac suction cleaner. We're going to start by removing the foot, and pretty much just want to lever that off. Once you've got the front half of it exposed, pretty much just slides backwards. After that, just grab your yellow nut, twist it anti-clockwise while holding onto the main body, and then remove your main shaft. Much like the T5, it looks like one solid component, but it actually has a little seal here. So you just grab the end and the main part, it just comes apart like so. You also just want to give it a tiny little turn. Remember, not too much, because you actually are twisting the diaphragm when you do this. Give it a bit of a push through. Once you've fed that through, you can twist your diaphragm off. Just give it a quick inspection. Make sure you've got no splits, tears, holes. Now, the reassembly. Just twist it back on, feed it back through the top. Can get a little resistance in here. Just line up the two notches. Slide that end in. Just hold it over with your finger while you pull this part back until you see the diaphragm come over the lip. Connect the other part of the shaft. Then reinsert it into the main body. Afterwards, just reattach your yellow nut. See it all sitting flush at the bottom end. And you just want to reattach your foot and skirt. I find the best trick is to put your thumb on the foot and hold onto the skirt. And there you have it. That's a disassembly and reassembly of the T3 Zodiac suction cleaner.